In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid YouTube ID verification. So as of August 13, 2025, YouTube is slowly rolling out a brand new feature where basically they use AI to analyze your watch history. And depending on what you watch, they may prompt you to do ID verification, which can be very inconvenient. So all of it comes down to the type of content you watch on YouTube. So if you've been watching a lot of kids content like Cocomelon, for example, or any other kid channels, then that could actually trigger YouTube wanting to get ID verification. So let me go ahead and quickly show you guys how to know if a particular video is made for kids or not. So look at this. This is the video from Cocomelon, and you're easily able to tell that it is for kids because first of all, over here, it is going to say comments are turned off. And also, it is going to give you the suggestion, try YouTube Kids right over here. So if you see something that looks like this, then chances are this video is made for kids and you really want to avoid watching kid content because that is going to trigger YouTube asking you to do ID verification. But if you still want to watch kids content and stuff like that, what I recommend that you guys do is actually just make an extra YouTube account and have that account specifically for watching kids content. And then you can have your own account for watching all the stuff that you like to watch. And this is good if you're a parent and stuff like that. You want to go ahead and separate the accounts so that obviously you don't need to like do any weird stuff for ID verification. But yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.